In this video we're going to be going over Builderall's Responsive Builder. What is up guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video we are going to be going over the Builderall Responsive Builder. And the Builderall Responsive Builder is one of the older tools which allows you to build fully functional responsive websites. As of now I think it has been removed from the back office as they create and unleash a new responsive builder which is more user-friendly and more feature-rich. But I did want to share with you a bit of Builderall's legacy and how the responsive builder works while we wait for the new responsive builder to be implemented. So without further ado, let's jump in.
The responsive builder is very similar to the Pixel Perfect builder in how it works. It doesn't have as many features such as the e-commerce and other tools like that. So I'm going to go into the editor and show you a little bit about the responsive. Like I said, it's very similar to the Pixel Perfect, except it works in columns and rows, just like a regular responsive builder does. So instead of having the Pixel Perfect, you do have it Pixel Perfect, but it shows up in the boxes, in the columns, and in the rows. So there's not so many tools around here. You can't add the e-commerce and the super checkout and stuff like that. So it's very similar and still a very powerful builder, and it's good if you want to quickly put a website together which is responsive in any device. So if you're not worried about customizing the mobile version and making it exactly how you want, if you just want it to respond, then this is the builder for you.
So there you have a quick overview of Builderall's Responsive Builder. I cannot wait for the new responsive builder to be unleashed into the Builderall arsenal, and really excited about that. So I hope you saw the value in the responsive builder, and if you did and are ready to get started with Builderall and haven't already, hit the link in the description to get started with Builderall, their responsive builder, their Pixel Perfect builder, and every other builder that they have, including 29 plus tools included in the Builderall platform. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that thumbs up, hit the bell notification and subscribe to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you in another video.